Top 10 Best Portable Grills, a safe and controlled way. Getting the best portable grill can change a good camping trip into a great one. Number 10. Lodge Cast Iron Sportsman's. Adds a bit of style and will get people talking, then this is the grill for you. It is made out of cast iron, which makes it extremely durable, and is fueled by charcoal, which is then regulated by a draft door. If it's quality of food that you're looking for, then this is going to rank extremely high. Made from cast iron. Great for quality food. Extremely durable. Number 9. Cuisinart All Foods 12,000 BTUs. From Cuisinart, and one that runs off gas. It's available either as a freestanding model, which will extend to your standing height, but it is also available as a tabletop model as well. It has a 200-inch grilling surface, which is a lot more than other products. Large grilling area. Quick start ignition system. Folding side tables. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Portable Grills or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Weber 121,020 Go Anywhere Charcoal. Has been very well designed to give you a great grilling area, but also to go back into a very small size once it's been used. The rectangular box with the carry handle on top makes it very easy to carry and also to store away as well. Clever design for transportation. Nylon handle. Porcelain enameled coating. Number 7. Weber 51010001 Q1200 Liquid Propane. Colors, so you are able to add a bit of personality to your cooking experience. The stainless steel burner produces a lot of heat, and the cooking grates are made out of porcelain enameled cast iron, and the lid and body are made out of cast aluminum. A range of color options. Made from high quality materials. Electronic ignition system. Number 6. Cuisinart CGG 180T Petit Gourmet. Produced terrific results time and time again. It can either be bought as a tabletop version or with a full stand, depending on whichever style you need. Despite its compact size, it can deliver a high level of cooking performance. Can be bought as a tabletop or freestanding. Weighs only 13.5 pounds. Easy to carry. Number 5. Coleman Road Trip Propane. Camping products, and this can be seen once again with this grill, which is going to produce great results. Its innovative design means that it's portable, but also able to stand tall to give you a great cooking position. It comes in a whole range of different colors which all look great. Collapsible design. High power output. A range of color options. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Portable Grills or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Weber 10020 Smokey Joe 14-inch. Look and produces terrific results. You can be sure that you're buying a quality product, as this has a long list of great reviews from many satisfied customers. It is 14 inches wide and is small enough to be portable, but can still cook a lot of great food. With these types of grills. Nylon handle. Well reviewed. 10-year warranty. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Smokeless. Actually be used indoors as well as outdoors due to it being a smokeless gas grill. It delivers great results wherever you are, and you'll be eating tasty food in no time at all. The grill has high heat searing ability, but with adjustable temperature control, so you're going. Can be used in or outdoors. Extra large drip tray. Adjustable temperature control. Number 2. George Foreman 15 serving indoor. Square inches of cooking space, which is able to cook a high quantity of food, and all with that non-stick coating which is famous for these products. It is durable and easy to clean, and removes the need to add any oil. It's a grill that can be used indoors or outdoors, which gives it a lot of versatility. Large looking space. Easy to clean and use. Powered by electric. Number 1. Blackstone Tabletop Portable Grill. Be able to give you a great amount of performance, but is also very durable and easy to carry. It was made to be highly portable, and you can see why with its rectangle design and carry handle. It has a cast aluminum firebox and a lid which has stainless steel latches. Highly durable grill. Cast aluminum firebox. 200-inch grilling surface. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Portable Grills or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.